I would say pretty much 95% of the equipment that we supply is bespoke. Some of the systems can be as small as 1 or 2 cubic meters. We've got other systems that are absolutely huge, for example concrete curing systems, huge industrial drying systems, environmental control. In terms of scalability, we have small R&D plants where we can demonstrate to customers what we can do in terms of temperature, humidity, airflow control, but we have to make sure that is scalable to the full production equipment that people want to install on their plants, and they want to see what we demonstrated on a very small scale can be replicated on a full-scale production, so that they ensure they're actually getting what they paid for. And so far so good. We've done many trials, small scale, and everything's been replicated into large scale facilities that are currently being used in a multitude of sectors.